this is the home screen. So we'll go one by one. Okay. So there are three sections in this home screen. One is the top bar, side panel, and the main middle panel. Okay, the top bar, of course, has the profile where you get all the later account settings and other stuff. And this button is the most important button, like create a design. We will be moving on to the next Canva editor window only by clicking on this create a design button. Of course, there are other ways to create a new design, but this is the main button and go to a very easy accessible button to create a new design. Yeah. These all it's too much right now, so let's keep that. Moving on to the side panel, this is almost the same thing, but we can change the profile. For example, I'm collaborating with the other team as well, and my personal account is a free account, but the collaboration with the team account is a Canva Pro account. So difference between Canva and Canva Pro will be covered when I'm moving on to the Canva editor part. Okay, and this is the home. Always will be in the home. Yeah. And Magic Studio will be covering towards the end. Okay, it is something which is trending right now, like let's say the AI part, the AI integration, artificial intelligence integration, which is what Canva called as a Canva Magic and Canva Studio, like text to image, a video enhancer, background remover. Background remover is very common thing, but there are so many other steps associated with the Magic, so which will be covered not right now. It will be too much for the beginners. So let's go from beginners to the advanced. Okay. In the projects window, whatever the projects which you have worked on will be here. It will be organized folder wise, and your templates which you have created will be there. And then there is a template window where you can find a vast collection of templates. That's why Canva stands apart from the other type of platform. Yeah. And brand, it is available only for a Canva Pro user, where as a business owners, you can create your brand kit. For example, I'll just go to an overview. I'll not give a complete tour about it. So like what is your brand logo? You can upload it here, your color palette, your font, your brand voice. If you have any particular brand photo, any brand graphics, brand icons, everything you can update it here. And when it comes to making a PPT or making a social media post, this will be very useful when you're creating a design. Yeah. So it is a go-to brand kit. Next is the apps part, which again, we will not deal in this video. Of course, there are so many apps. Some apps will be the third-party apps, like will be tie-up. We'll be having a certain limitation to use it, and beyond that use, we need to sign up in that, make a payment in that, and we need to use it again. So that's how it is. But some are really free app, which is definitely useful, and so many different apps. Even I have not explored 100% of app, but whatever apps is trending, whatever apps which is really helpful for our day-to-day workflow will be covered in the separate video, not in this video. It is we can say that is the next part of the course. Moving on to the most exciting thing, the center bar. Okay, so center bar has the collection of your works. The first part of the center bar is the search bar. Okay, which I'll come to it next. Yeah. And second part is you might want to try is the based on your recent workflow, like what you have used recently. For example, I have used docs recently. Next, I have used whiteboard recently. So and I use lot of social media. So that's why that is coming the recent part. Okay. So whatever type of designs you have made recently, that will be it is like a suggestion. Like in YouTube, the video suggestion will be there at the left side, right? So if you're watching one video, the suggestion will be there on the left side. So that is very similar to that. Yeah. Yes. And then the recent design. What are your recent design which you have done, recent templates you have created? So everything will be covering in this home screen. Okay. So now we are coming on to the most exciting part, which is the search bar. Okay. So there are two in top we can see two options, custom size and upload. So custom size I'll come to it later, and upload is very similar, like we can upload our own design and we can do some editation. For example, we can upload our photo, upload our photo and do some photo manipulation as well. So, yeah. We'll be using this later on, but just now, right now, have the basic idea of it. Yeah. Then we have a custom size, which we'll be using it next. Yeah. And then there are so many below, you can see so many options. Of course, there are more aspects, but let's explore this. So search bar, we can search either your content, like the designs which you have made in Canva previously, which will be coming in projects, or you can search the templates. Okay, for example, I believe I made something for Diwali. Yes, so this is the one of the poster which I made for Diwali. So I have searched it. We automatically going towards to the design. And check this. I have made the tutorial of this video also in case, but not right now. After watching this video, you can check it because now we'll be not in a position to grab how I have made this. Okay, of course this is 100% made in Canva. Okay, not I have not taken anything from outside. I have made 100% in Canva, and each and every part is editable part. Okay, so that's how you can search the projects. And coming on to searching templates, for example, just click on the template. Initially it will be in projects. Just click on the template and search Christmas. So you'll be getting a lot of templates for Christmas. Okay, on different sizes. Yeah, and you can select the category here. For example, let me say social media, Instagram post. Yeah? So the automatically Instagram post size is 1:1, which is 1080 x 1080 pixel. So all the posts which is here will be on this Canva. So now you come to you identify which template you want. For example, basically let's pick a very simple template. Yeah. Just click on this, customize this template. Yeah, when you click on this, you will see you will be given this direction. Of course, there are so many other related templates similar to the same color palette will be shown here. Customize this template. You'll be going to the editing window where you can edit all the steps. Okay. The simple thing. Yeah, you pick one template, you can edit it, you can add your logo if you want, you can change the text. Okay, you can change it to course, you can make it anything, and you can correct it. Yeah, a simple way to change the templates. Yeah. So that's how you can search for the templates and change it. Okay, now let's go. And also I'll mention this here. Like most probably you'll be knowing it because very common thing. Suppose you want to go back to home screen, you can click back to home, or just click on this button and we'll go to the home. Yeah, but click back to home with the home button, and even if you click on the logo, it will be directing to the home screen. Yeah, very common thing, but some will be finding it tough. Of course, a simple tip then and there will be really helpful for you guys, I believe. Yeah, right. Okay, so now you got the idea about templates. You can search anything. Okay, fine. The other way to search. Okay, so now let's say I want, I don't have idea about what type of post I am going to create, but I need to create a social media post. Okay, so just go to social media. Okay, it has a various stuffs. Whatever you can do on social media, it has, for example, Instagram post, Instagram, Facebook post, Instagram story, WhatsApp status, Instagram reel, TikTok video. So many stuffs related to social media will be shown here. Okay, now let me say let me go to Instagram reel. Okay, so it has gone to Instagram reel size, and in the side you will be seeing a lot of templates. Okay, for example, since I have searched recently the Christmas, I could see a lot of templates for Christmas. So nice post to share on Christmas, right? You can change the text, Merry Christmas. Yes, and if you're okay. So in the similar way, you can research for others as well. For example, document, presentation, videos, print on it. And there are so many more. Just click on the more. You'll come to know what all is there. Infographic, photo collect, desktop wallpaper. There are endless possibility of design you can create. Okay, ebook cover, bookmark, phone wallpaper. Yeah, and each one has a different types of template. For example, if you go to infographic, there are so many infographic template which you can directly customize it. Yeah, will be definitely useful for bloggers. Yeah, 100% will be using for bloggers. And if you're Pinterest. Sharing so many steps on Pinterest, definitely these boards work. You might be very well knowing about it. And if you are a business owner, if you're finding some way to represent your process flow or a timeline, like how you have evolved, this infographics will be definitely helpful. So just pick the right template. All that matters is just pick the right template and customize it. Yeah. So in all the most of the templates will be on. You see, this is directly you can use for how you are involved. You know, you can just change it. You can change the text, and the design gives everything. You know, right. Of course, you need to be a pro user for using certain templates, right? To be noted, but it is worth taking the pro version. If you're a business owner, it is really worth taking the pro version. And it is not necessary that you should always go to pick the right template and create a design. Not necessary thing. And as a designer, I don't recommend a beginner graphic designer to pick a template, correct it, and give it to the client. No, never do that. Always try something new. Go to the Canva editor window, which will be covering very shortly next thing. Go to the Canva editor window, start creating something on your own. Get ideas from these templates. Okay, how to represent it, what they have done. Get ideas from this template, but not just copy paste, change the text. No. But if you're a business owner, you will be having a lot of work to be covered. So design should not be a hectic for you, and it should not take more time. So just pick a right template, change the text, change the content what you wish. Okay, do minor tweaks in colors as per your brand guidelines.